Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do practice live on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to start my Instagram live. We can click on this plus icon and then we can choose live right here. Select live, and then before you start your Instagram practice live, you can select practice here. You can tap on this option, and here you can choose your audience. You will have three options here. You have followers, close friends, and also practice. And if you want to do the practice live, select practice. Okay, and right after you select practice, when you go live, no one will be notified. Okay, so your Instagram live will be hidden. You'll be able to hide it from all your followers. Okay, and after you have selected practice, you can start your live by clicking on this button. Okay, and hold on. Okay, and now okay guys, and that's all the way to do practice live on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.